My name's Rusty Sitton. I'm the Redneck boat guy. I build two-cylinder racing outboard boats. I build the props to go on them, and we also sail a 33-foot catamaran named See Y'all Later. Hope you enjoy the channel. Hello again, YouTube. This is Rusty, the Redneck boat guy in the Redneck garage. I got my son Russ with me here. We're tracing out a pattern to cover the transom with this new veneer. Kind of clean it up, do something there. Jono's also in the shop with us today, so we're going to get quite a bit done. The major emphasis today is going to be putting the material on the non-trip and getting it tuned out as far as we can, and moving on. Heavy wood right there, buddy. That'll do it. Don't add too much weight, is it, Russ?
Yeah. Might need more salad.
I mean, 3 more days of keto.
Remember where those holes are there, and know not to put pressure on them.
Yeah, well, this
Oh,
is
the
carbon.
big holes, yeah.
Oh, carbon going on the inside?
On the inside, yeah.
Yeah. This is good.
Just to
I
make
mean,
it
you still don't
stronger.
want
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 'cause
to
you
punch
know-
a screwdriver through it, but you ain't going to push it in. And you got your hand in your thing. Your handle go right here.
There we
Yeah,
go.
real high. Just gonna darken up.
Oh, that's the mesquite.
No, this
No,
is this
mahogany.
is this is clear.
Oh.
I think it is. Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's what I meant to do. Now it smells like a boat building.
I'm interested to see this red mahogany.
Yeah, we'll definitely do it on a test piece. Or sanding or getting anything ready. And I do need to sand over there. I guess, you know what, I could bring this in there. I could bring it in there. Keep the dust down.
Probably don't even have to bring the plastic or anything.
I agree. Just relocate it and then we can, here's our transom. Transition. An area. I got it marked exactly where we had the fin with blue tape. So it'll go right back there. So this whole non-trip's gonna be brand new wood, just like the tops and the side of the boat. Like I say, we had some problem with D-lam up there. Not anymore. That guy over there is my son Jonathan. But how John know?
Yo.
He's a boat mechanic and primarily sailboat, but he's here helping me and going to go to his sailboat that he lives on here shortly. Move it to, no telling where, Florida, maybe back to the Virgin Islands where he's been working.
Yep. Got a couple destinations.
All right, let's get back to it.
Cool place.
All those little obstacle or
Yeah, it was some, I'm not real sure, somewhere like I had it. Yeah.
Oh, on the seat.
Found it.
A little bit of after-tone cleanup. Ready to cut a piece of this anyway. We got it out, we ought to cut a piece of the ball.
Yeah.
you get the blower out.
Yeah.
You got a phone? Like out?
Hit the turbo button.
Got a turbo button? Woo! Think about it.
so it's gonna have to be pieced anyway. Alright, so be careful with your fingernail hanging it because it'll mess up the weave.
Okay. Just keep it
But-
rolled up on the end then?
And that probably wouldn't hurt.
And hold them in line?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm thinking let's turn it around and I'll cut off that other side since I'm gonna have to piece it anyway.
Okay.
It's easy to set that down. Before you put glue in it.